Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Ottoex. It's a channel on YouTube where we feature some interesting and strange and unusual and rare vehicles from around the world. Sometimes we sell them, sometimes we just present them. In front of me today is a model year 2000 Toyota Hiace Regius. This is the Regius version of the Hiace. These were made from 95 and up. They're the safer, more comfort-orientated variant of the Hiace 100 series. This is powered by the 3RZ 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gas engine. It is full-time four-wheel drive. This one is loaded with every factory option that you could have optioned on these for this year. And I mean everything. It's got the factory body kit, it's got the factory rear spoiler. It comes in a really slick two-tone pearl silver beige. It has the updated front end that these saw from 2000 and up with that grille, and the R stands for Regius. And we're gonna get into all the features of this thing inside and out, and we'll take it for a drive. So walked around the outside, you'll notice it has double sliding doors, which was a rare option on a lot of these vans. It had to be selected by the person buying the van. They had to choose double-sided doors. The left-hand side or passenger side is also optionally power. And well, let's look in front. I'll show you some of the controls. This thing only has about 79,000 original miles on it, which is nothing for these engines if you know them. They were using the Tacomas, the 4Runners, a whole lot of other vehicles, and they are just fantastic. So, all right, we've got power features, including power seat, adjustable four-way, power locks, and power front windows, auto down, auto up driver's side. Sunroof front, moon roof in the rear. This is when they got the updated 4-spoke steering wheel, same steering wheel that was used in the early Tundras, Tacomas, 4Runners, from 2001 and up. So really nice, leather wrapped actually, and wood. This is kind of the premium option of this steering wheel. It's in fantastic shape, as is the rest of this van. Take a look at the seat fabric. It is a nice kind of a micro velour, premium fabric. And just look at these floor mats, just pride of ownership. All right, so let's step in. I'll show you some of the features that makes this one really unique. All right, so there is not a single blank switch on this van. It's got everything. Fogs. Someone read that and translate that. I haven't done that ahead of time, but it has something to do with lights. Mirrors, power retracting, power adjustable, sliding door open close. We'll see if you open it. And it works kind of like a window switch where you can stop it at variable points. And then to close it, you just hold it. So TV off, on. It has a TV in the back with AV inputs so you can hook anything up. Power curtains, more power curtains, side and rear. Shift selector for ECT mode on and off, and then you can disable your power sliding door if you don't want that to do its power thing. It's got factory sonar, so at all 4 points you kind of have proximity meters to let you know how close you're getting. Really premium options. Factory backup camera, and it's got the factory Toyota voice navigation system, which has CD, AM, FM tape, and TV capabilities. If you were in Japan, you could use this as a tuner to tune into the TV stations wirelessly. Really cool. Overhead lights, all that fun stuff. Ashtray, never been used. Cubby, essentially your glove box. 12-volt outlet here. Hazards. Everything works great on this van. We've driven it about 150 miles, as we tend to do, kind of breaking these vehicles in, working out any kinks, making incidental repairs for the next owner. Adjustable armrests. So they adjust and they click to go back. 2 cup holders here, 2 cup holders here, and then a nice surface on the center console. All right, let's swing around to the back, and I want to show you guys what's going on back there. Oh, really nice factory heavy-duty window visors. As per JDM, a lot of JDMs come with those. I love them. If you don't like them, you can take them off. Swinging around passenger side. Door card is in great shape. Power window switch. Passenger front seat, also in excellent shape. Airbag, passenger, and driver. All right. I disabled it so you can see. Kind of works. Did I disable it? I may have left that switch on. Let's see. Okay, I left it on. That's how it works from the outside. Soft close, and then, all right. So, center row, captain's chairs. Again, you have armrests, double-sided. These things swivel to face back or forward. I'll show you how that's done. It's really easy. You just bring the seat back down like that, and then it just spins around like that, one-handed. Okay, so let's take a look in the back here. We have a 3-seater bench, which is on these tracks that go the length. That bench is on the length of the van tracks. They go all the way up to the front. So you can pull the center row out and use this bench in the center position or the rear position. Really cool. Demonstrate, just pull this and it clicks into several different positions, just like that. Pull and then push it and it clicks wherever it needs to be. We've got floor vents for passenger rear heating. Very cool, very thoughtful. Let's slide this back and take a look. What's this, you might ask? This is a footrest for your feet. Go figure. Ashtray for the rear. Rear heat controls. Auto low and high. And then you have your AV input. So the TV's up here. You can hook up a PlayStation N64, your console, period correct of choice. Another footrest there. Swinging into the back, curtains all along the sides. Back door as well. And you have curtain buttons, works when the car's on. More ashtrays. This thing's never been smoked in, but you know. These all have defrosters on them, as does the front rear quarters. I believe these pop out. Let's make sure I'm not misspeaking. These might be power opening. This one vents like that. Cup holder, speakers, great sound system in this van, honestly. I enjoy it. Big overhead light, as well as a nice personal touch LED strip. Actually, that is factory mode. Well, we'll leave that for the new owner to mess with. A lot of cool things on this van. Rear AC controls are here. And your vents, and you have map lights and more speakers. This sunroof is power, it opens all the way. Moonroof more like. Seat back pockets as well back here. And really quite a bit of room in all 3 rows. So let's hop up, and I think it might be time to take this for a drive. Would you guys like to do that? Yes, I think it is indeed time. We've got the factory key with the factory fob. Unlock and lock, as well as a spare key. All right, time to ride. This thing is a smooth, cool, fun ride. It's a great van to drive. The seating position is upright. You can really just see out everywhere. So let's turn it on. And let's put our seatbelt on. And let's turn off the parking brake. Now we're ready. Everything works great. AC, front rear defrost, recirculate, rear cooler, rear heater controls are also up here. Sonar, you can see that. It's got all 4 points. And that works great too. Let's tilt it or open it so you can see the guts. So CD, tape, really sweet. Oh, and factory backup camera. So we kick it in reverse, and there it is. And there it goes. All right, time to roll. These 3RZ engines are solid. Timing chain driven, no timing belts. So you don't have to worry about having that serviced. And they're quite stout. Relatively fuss-free, 4-banger, 2.7 liter. Parts are easy because they were used in the Tacomas and the 4Runners. And all over the world, in fact, used in other vehicles too, including Hiaces at a later point in time. Hiace 200s. So, just a great engine. Let's roll down that window. It is a beautiful day here, and I am enjoying it. And so we'll cruise around a little bit, give you guys the lay of the land as far as driving this van goes. What is it like? It's smooth, it's comfortable, the seat is soft, the brakes stop on the money. I love the feel of this steering wheel. It feels quite premium. Horn works great. Everything works as it should, believe it or not. The owners cared about this van, and you can tell. One touch down, one touch up window. It's always nice to have. Now these vans are powered adequately for North American roads. You can cruise 70, 80 plus, no problem on the highway. A lot of people ask us that. Yes, some JDM vans are not super equipped to go 70 plus, but some are, and this is one of those. If you're wondering about that, you don't know, you want to learn more about these vans, you can always give us a call. We're available. This is what we do. We've been doing it for 10 years. We're extremely picky with the vehicles that we import, that we touch. By the way, this van is for sale at the time of this video being filmed. So if you're interested and you see it in time, give us a ring if you want to know more. We're here for you. And even if you're not a buyer, we love to know what you think. Would you want to daily this van? If, you know, would you drive it? Do you think it's hideous? Do you think it's cool? We read all the comments, so leave us one. And we just love to hear your input and your stories. Do you have these in your country? So driving along, the steering is perfectly straight, doesn't pull to any sides. The brakes don't pulsate. The transmission is smooth like butter. These vans have nice power, nice braking, and a quiet, comfortable, compliant ride. It is a full-time four-wheel drive system. That means full power, 50-50 front and rear axles. It will get you to ski areas. It'll get you down the forest roads. They do have lift kits for these too, so you could lift it another 2 inches. You could fit bigger tires. Check out our gallery on our website, Ottoex.com. We have had some that have been lifted. That's something we can help facilitate if you wish. So I'm just merrily rolling along here and talking to you guys. But I think perhaps you guys have gotten the gist of what it's like to sit in the driver's seat of this van. And if you want more, just come and check it out. Take it for a test drive. We love making these videos. Thank you for checking us out on this one. We have many more cool videos and vehicles coming down the pipeline. So if you enjoyed, come along for the ride, hit the subscribe button, maybe give us a thumbs up or ring the bell if you want to be notified of more videos, more cars coming for sale, and just more cool things to see in the automotive world here at Ottoex. Thanks for checking us out, guys, and we will catch you on the next one.